Are you thinking about moving to Oak Knolls in Manalapan, New Jersey? Well, then you're going to want to stick around for this video. I'm about to give you a tour and we're going to take a deep dive into all things Oak Knolls and the entire development right here in Manalapan, New Jersey in Monmouth County. But wait, that's not all. If you stick around to the end of this video, I have got a special surprise for you. A tour of one of the 3-bedroom condos in this development. Imagine, it could be your future home. Hi, I'm Allison Rowe, broker owner and founder of Real Connect Realty. If you're thinking about making a move into Manalapan, New Jersey, or the surrounding areas, my team and I cannot wait to help you. Give us a call. All right, let's get into it. Right next to the Oak Knolls development, which that's where we are now, you have Milford Brooks School, known for its excellent education and community involvement. So if you move into this development, you could literally just walk your children right to the school. The school is right behind the basketball courts, the pool, and the handball courts. All right, now let's talk about the background of Oak Knolls. They were built between 1980s and the early 1900s. This community has 335 townhouses, and they offer 2 to 3 bedroom units, complete with garages and basements. These are the 3 homes that have recently sold here, all within the same range between 400, 428, and 399. They also were only on the market for under 30 days, 114, 117, and the other 130. And the taxes range anywhere between $5,000 and $7,000 at the time of this video. There is a monthly maintenance fee here, and it's around $250. So what does the fee cover here? The fee includes your exterior maintenance, your pool, your gym, your snow removal, your grounds care, and insurance of the building, among other things like the tennis courts, the basketball courts, and the pool. Oak Knolls is not just about the homes. It's a well-established community that continues to attract interest for a competitive pricing and a cozy feel. With homes ranging from 1,314 square feet to 1,645 square feet, it caters to a variety of needs, whether you're a family or an individual. All right, let's head over to that property. But on our way there, let's talk about the location of the Oak Knolls homes. You have everything right at your fingertips. Picture this, a casual stroll to Brooklyn Square Pizza for some of the best slices in town, or maybe a taste of Italy at Livido's Italian Market, both known for their delicious, delicious pizza. You need to unwind? The Manalapan Recreation Center is less than 3 miles away and has definitely got you covered. And if you're in the mood for a diverse dining experience, downtown's freehold restaurants are just about 20 minutes away. Plus, for all of those music lovers out there, the Musician's Workshop is a mere 9 minutes away, perfect for exploring your creative side. And let's not forget, Oak Knolls is practically surrounded by every store you need. Home Depot, Lowe's, Ulta, Starbucks, Kohl's, Walgreens, all within a 10-minute drive. Pretty convenient, huh? I'd say so. All right, let's go check out that property. All right, and as promised, you're going to see the inside of one of them today. This one is not for sale, so I'm not going to give you the stats on it. It is a rental. This one is an end unit 2 as well, which is really nice. This location is right in front of the handball courts, the pool, and the basketball courts. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a basement. So once you see one of these, they basically all are going to look the same. And they're pretty big inside because I just checked it out. All right, let's go see it. we have wrapped up the tour of Oak Knolls in Manalapan, New Jersey. My name is Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of Real Connect Realty. And if you are thinking about moving into this area or the surrounding areas in the next 9 or 90 days, give me and my team a call. We cannot wait to help you. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for all things keeping you connected, Staten Island and New Jersey living. Stay connected.